Today we're here to help you register your compatible Garmin Marine device using a mobile phone or tablet. We'll be using a mobile phone for this video, but a tablet will function the same way. You will need your Marine device, mobile phone, and an SD card or micro SD card, depending on what your Marine device requires. Then select ActiveCaptain on your Marine device. Now, you may be prompted to set up the Wi-Fi on your Marine device. Begin the setup by turning on your Wi-Fi. You will have the option to adjust the name of the Marine device's Wi-Fi. After choosing the name, create your password. In your phone's Wi-Fi settings, join the Marine device's Wi-Fi network. Enter the password you created. Then open the ActiveCaptain application on your phone. The Marine device may offer some prompts when opening the ActiveCaptain app. Then insert your SD or micro SD card. This card will become your ActiveCaptain card and will need to remain in the device. In the app, select My Registered Devices. Here you should see the Marine device being registered. The Marine device will continue the registration process if you leave the ActiveCaptain app running in the background. You can also manually add your Marine device if you know the unit ID in the ActiveCaptain app. Select the plus icon and type in the unit ID. And that's it. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.